Well, I was wondering if they could make it up to that top roost, and looks like they definitely can. Careful there, you're a little close to that light there, buddy. But anyways, new water, new food. They're good to go. Working on the run eventually here, just gotta find time. Alrighty, I got these new chicken coop. I got a 2-pack here. It almost looks like there's a 3 in there though. Holy moly. I got these do-it-yourself autofill cups here. Really good ratings on Amazon. Really excited. I'm gonna put them in this red bucket. Be able to have 5 gallons on hand for the birds, and they won't be able to tip that over. Easy to go. The gasket right there, it just goes right in. We'll see if it leaks over time. Probably will, probably won't. We'll see. But yeah, these birds are doing good. Alrighty. We got it in here for now. It's a quick little setup, but I really like this. Design's really nice. Well, it's the next day here, and I came out to check, make sure the bucket has water. It's hardly even lower inside the bucket. Bowls are full. They might get a little bit dirty. This one's more dirty than the other. But if we keep up on keeping them clean, I'm giving them a big thing of food. That'll be good. I just like not having to do the water every day. Such a nice thing.